Welcome back to my channel and happy Mother's Day. Today's video is going to be a little different. I am already full-faced, which is rare because you guys are used to seeing me rough is the word. And today's video, I am going to be trying on a few wigs that I recently purchased from Amazon. All of the wigs are under $40. So, oh, I'm not naked, by the way. These wigs were bought for cosplay purposes. These are not things that I don't put on a wig and know how to properly install a wig. I do not. Some of these wigs I've already used in Instagram, and if you're from Instagram, hello. I will be trying them all on now. The first wig we are going to try on is from MISSQUEEN Short Curly. The rating on Amazon, a 4.1 out of 5. Now I'm gonna try it on.
Okay, now.
Like split in the middle. Oh wow, it's gonna have to be split in the middle because... Okay, so this is what it looks like in the back. And this is what it looks like in the front. I absolutely 100% love this wig. I love this wig because I was looking to cut my hair, and this wig gave me the opportunity to like feel it out, and it doesn't seem as scary as people make it seem. Like having short hair is not that scary. Like I feel like I could have short hair and totally rock it, but it feels very stiff. Like there's no really working it. So if my head was bigger, I wouldn't be able to fit it because the straps are off. So like, you know, there's like two elastic bands where you can tighten and make it smaller. I can't do that with this one because it's already super tight. And I have a lot of hair under here, so like the wind blows and you will definitely 100%. I mean, so for a wig under $40, I definitely give this wig a 5 out of 5. If you're wanting to try short hair, if you do cosplay, like I do, like to just dress up and change it up just for fun, 5 out of 5. If you're looking for a wig to literally like glue on and go about your day and do errands, I don't recommend this one. This one hurts like fucking hell, but it serves its purpose 100%. $17. This wig will not do you wrong. You might have to cut the bangs a little. I think I am. I'm gonna cut the bangs up, make them a little like not in my eye, cause my mic was loose once again, so coming to you from the future is me. This next wig is QDTIZER. It is the curly wig that I used for Ariel, and I loved it. Absolutely, absolutely 100% love it. I loved it curly. I messed it up, so that is why you see me laughing in the next clips, because I flat ironed it because my sister said that she would wear it if it was straight, and I thought, why not? And then I messed it up. Okay, please don't fly off. Oh my god, I can't even explain myself right now. What did you do, girl? Okay, this is what it looks like after Jasmine decided to put a flat iron to her the back. And it's super long.
This wig is super long, super soft, super silky, super easy to comb, easy to detangle, easy to flat iron. If you are a wig person, you definitely need this wig in your life. Because it's under $40, and I'm pretty sure if you know how to slay wigs, you will slay the shit out of this one. The only problem I had come across with this wig is when I tightened it all the way in the back, it still fit me big, so I couldn't really lay down my baby hairs or do anything else with it because it was too big for my head and there was no option to choose a different size. So that is the only mishap. But I'm pretty sure if you know how to slay a wig, there's a way around it and there's ways to fix it and tighten it better. But yeah, that is what this wig looks like. And she got a 4 out of 5 from me because it was huge, even on the last hoop. But besides that, we Gucci. Next up is the Freya green wig. This is the wig I used for Tafiti, but they are currently unavailable. What I did do was look at their store, and they do have a lot of other wigs that are available in their store, just as described and very great reviews. So definitely check them out. This has to be like my favorite long wig. She's soft. She's everything, everything.
Oh my gosh. I look like Bad Bunny.
Honestly, I don't have anything bad to say about this wig whatsoever. From the natural cut to the softness, the tangle free, the ability to customize, it's definitely a 5 out of 5. This next wig I decided to include here, but it is a whole year old, and wigs that are this cheap are not meant to last that long, so forgive how it looks now. I do have included some pictures of when I used it, but I definitely believe that it deserved a spot on here for good synthetic wigs for the purpose from Amazon. Okay, so this wig was a disaster from the moment it came out of the box. It feels like hay on my head. It is not customizable in any way. She is stiff. She has a fake part that looks gray almost. There's really nothing you could do about this wig to fix her. But that being said, I have used her in a lot of photos and a lot of Halloween costumes. Like, she's definitely fun, but specifically for Halloween or dress up. Doesn't look realistic at all, doesn't feel realistic at all. So, for her purpose that she served, I gave her a 3 out of 5. This next piece is not a wig, but she deserved her spot on here. I definitely had fun with it. She is from Fashion Icon and cost $15. So with this, I transformed a basic ponytail to a fabulous ponytail. And I think that it's definitely worth it if you're looking to try one of those insert name here or any other ponytail of an expensive brand. This one is definitely like a starter. I use this for the Moana look, and I will definitely use it again. When I first received this piece, it did not look like the picture. You definitely have to brush it a few 100,000 times for it to look the way it looked in the picture. It looks very spaghetti ramen noodle type when you first buy it, but I don't mind that at all. I like that it came like that so that I can customize it to how curly or how puffy I want it. And it also has drawstrings to pull on so it can secure the bun or ponytail that you naturally have. Now, does it look fake? It does, 100%, but it's like a cute fake. It's like, okay, girl, I see you with your fake pony. I gave her a 4 out of 5 because it tangles a lot more than the other wigs. This one was very hard to comb out, but it served its purpose and I love it. Okay guys, that completes my Amazon wig try-on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Let me know what you liked. Let me know what you didn't like. I appreciate you all very much, and thanks for watching.
It ain't that deep, nah. You know I care with some of your real feelings. Oh no, it ain't that sweet, no. Just 'cause